Yo, bro, I'm back, bro. I'm back. Yeah, man. Siyempre, dito tayo sa G's Gaming Place. And make sure, guys, to like the video and subscribe before you skip the video in my Minecraft video. Compass. Wait, find your... Wait, world spawncraft want to find your... One large chest. I know that, Brody. I know that, Sigma, but because you're taming a skeleton horse does require a saddle. Yeah, I know that. Bro, survive. Bakit nakalagay sa world ko survive? Wala naman akong gagawin para makasurvive. Ano to? Uy, ayoko dyan pumunta, boy. So, makikita nyo dito, may mga napuntahan na ako dito, konti. Pero masyado hindi. Bro, I'm very dumb, bro. If the lava pop up and I'm dead, I don't want to do that to myself, bro. I just only want to survive in the world, bro. In the world of Minecraft, bro. Just want to survive, bro. Oh my god, bro. Paldo. Ang dami ng coal, boy. Paldo. Ang dami ko ng coal, man. Uy, paldo. Pag namatay ako dyan sa rabang yan, man. Paldo ako, boy. Pero for now, I'm finding some cave. Sana nga may kuweba dito eh. Ewan ko lang kung meron. Pero may nakikita ko, wala. Wala daw, wala. Pero please, I think there's something in the top. I want to go in the top, bro. I want to go to the largest top, bro. Let's go there, bro. Let's go there. Let's go. Please don't pick up, bro. I don't want any more of that berry trash. Oh no. Don't go at any lava, bro. Pag you go in the lava, I'm going in the lava too. If I'm not surviving, you're not surviving too. Because are both hungry people. Please, no, bro. I'm not coming back, bro. I don't want to go down anymore. I want to survive. I'm not going there anymore. Takot. Uy, may coal na naman, boy. Hindi ko siya masyadong abot. Ragyat! Only one. So, I like this 67 like that. Mojang, gawin mo naman 67 stack yung mga coal. Baka naman Mojang. Like 67 like that, Mojang. Ay, parang may nakita na ako para mapag-survivean ko. I'm gonna reveal this place, bro. This is my world that I just created. It's almost in a cave too. I'm very happy, but I'm very sad, bro. Oh, there's coal here, I guess. Thank you, mother. Thank you. Para mamojang iron. Sabi ko na nga ba, pare. Pag walang iron, meron coal. Tapos wala din iron. Aray ko. Nakakayak talaga si Mojang ba. Maglululo yan si Mojang eh. Mojang, please. Mojang, ano na? Date pa. Nagde-date ka. May ka-date ka. Alamin mo naman tong laro mo, Mojang. Baka gusto mo ng laro mo. Bro. Nag-join ka lang. Admin ka tulad na admin ako sa Roblox. Yeah, bro. Baka naman. Admin din ako sa Roblox. Bigyan mo Roblox. Bra. Kasi nabubulukan na ako sa Roblox. Maganda kasi Minecraft. Kaya bumalik ako dito sa Whole Time Logsico. Dati di ko pa ito alam ah. Ngayon veteran na. Konti. Uy, Paldo boy. Paldo boy. Ito ata nagiging bahay ko ngayon. I'm gonna destroy the top. And yup. It's getting better. Getting better my house. Pag ganito kalaki yung bahay mo, anong gagawin mo? Ako magtutwikin na lang ako, bro. Lupit kasi insane. Bro, one stock is enough. Baka naman mo dong one stock. One stock, baka naman wag ako pa one stock eh. Nagigigil na ako ba? Hindi kayo magiging boys. Wait. I'm not saying boys and girls. I said bees. Because my mic is tweaking right now. Alright. Bloody. Bruh. Parang pula daw. Wala. Oh my goodness. Literally. Bro. I'm very excited, bro. Paddle dogs. Malapit sa village. Napaka-paldogs talaga. Tapos may golem pa. Paldogs talaga, men. Bro, I'm gonna repairing my bed, bro. Where's my bed? Bro, I need to tweaking, bro. I'm tweaking. Take my bed, bro. Aba. Oy, gising na, umaga na. Aray, uy, gogi, nakakatakot yun. NBA tayo. Wala ba magandang bahay dyan, ha? Bulok lahat ng dito. Baka naman, I'm tweaking, bro. I need to take this, bro. Oh my goodness. Nakahoy, guys. Katapat lang ng village. Doon ako titira. Dahil maganda kasi yung pink na kahoy. I guess. I'm kidding. I'm getting evil, bro. I don't want to be evil, bro. I want to be nice. Umalis ka dyan. Nakaharang ka eh, no? Nakaharang kayo. Tapos doon yung bread. I'm gonna take, I guess, the bread, but... Bro. Golem! Ayaw kong patayin yung golem. Dito kasi yan eh. So, see you later again and babush. Bye guys. But first,